To draw lines on the cell borders, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's follow these steps to draw borders on the table shown on the screen. I first select all the cells of the table. Second, with the mouse cursor placed on the selected cells, I click the right button of the mouse, and from the floating menu, I select the option Format Cells. Third, I click on the tab Border. Fourth, I draw the cell borders. But before doing that, let me first explain what you see under the Border tab. To draw a line, you need to first define its style and color. The style is chosen from the Style area and the color is chosen from the Color drop-down list. For instance, I want to draw a red double line, so I select the double line style and the color red. Now I need to select where the chosen line needs to be drawn. This is done in the border area. The border area is a representation of the selected range. The border area shows 4 cells with the word text written in each of them. The outer borders represent the outer borders of the selected range. The inside borders represent the inside borders of the selected range. I want to draw a red double line on the outside borders of the selected range. So, I click on all the outside borders of the border area. Also, I want blue thick lines for the inside borders of the selected range. So, I select the thick line style and the color blue. Then I click the inside borders of the border area. Finally, I click OK. You can see that the red double lines have been applied on the outside borders of the selected range, and the blue thick lines have been drawn on all the inside borders of the selected range. Now I've changed my mind. I do not want to have the inside horizontal borders. So I select all the table cells and follow the same steps. To delete a line, just click on the line. So I clicked on the horizontal blue lines. Then I click OK. As a result, the horizontal inside lines have been deleted. You can also draw lines on border cells by using the Home tab border buttons. To do this, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's try these steps to draw a red double line outside border. I first select all the cells of the table. Second, I select the Home tab. Third, I click the face down arrowhead of the Borders button. Then I click on the Line Style option. And from the list of styles opened, I choose the double line. Fourth, I click the face down arrowhead of the Borders button. Then I click on the Line Color option. And from the palette of colors opened, I choose red. Finally, I click the face down arrowhead of the Borders button. Then I choose Outside Borders. The result is a red double line drawn on the outside borders of the selected range. Let's look at some more options in the Borders button. I select the same range again and choose the option No Border to delete all the borders in the selected range. We see that all the borders drawn were deleted. Now I select the same range again, and without selecting the line style and color, I choose the option All Borders. The result is a red double line has been drawn on all the borders of the selected range. Notice that Excel used the last line style and color set. As you can see, you can choose how and where to draw lines.